Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable split screen on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here. So then you click here on accessibility here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on spoken content, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to split screen, just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, and here if you want to enable here special controller here or highlight content. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.